Sit at home continue in Biafra land. Biafra Liberation Army. Hello my people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first day wey you dey come across this wonderful channel, what are you waiting for? Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to follow this particular page so that we go dey bring you updates back to back as e dey happen. Sit at home continue in Biafra land, which is Nnamdi Kanu holiday. One Biafra Liberation Army wey dey inside bush, dey lament dey talk say the sit at home no go end unless the Nnamdi Kanu is unconditional release. So my people, we go play you the video. But before we play this video, abeg no forget to go subscribe to our YouTube channel. We will leave a link below this video so that you go click the link and it will take you direct to our YouTube channel for you to subscribe over there. Okay, my people, the Biafra Liberation Army wey dey inside bush he say that Nnamdi Kanu holiday continue. There is no backing back unless they release Nnamdi Kanu unconditionally. As you have known that Ohaneze recently said that they are going to sign in other way for the federal government to release Nnamdi Kanu. But the question there is, are they signing for the court that order the release of Nnamdi Kanu, or what are they signing for? Or for Ohaneze to stand firm with the court and say that the court have declared this young man to be free, which is Nnamdi Kanu, and you people are still holding him. So he have to be released unconditionally. This is what Ohaneze should stand for, not to sign any form of guarantee or whatever another way to release Nnamdi Kanu. So we are going to play the video where this Biafra Liberation Army is lamenting. Then when we come back, we'll continue. Stay tuned and watch the video.
The reason why we embark on sit at home is because of the love we have for Nnamdi Kanu. And believe you me, we must show him love till the end. Do you understand that? So, we go nowhere until we restore his freedom. So what am I saying? I'm saying that tomorrow is still sit at home. Nobody can still sit at home. There's nothing like environmental sanitation. No. It is totally locked down. It is Nnamdi Kanu only day. It is a day we set aside to honor our living hero, our great prophet, our eye-opener, our spokesperson, our brother, our uncle, our husband, our friend. So we go nowhere. I want to update you that the people that Nigeria Army came to issue an arrest in the name of the ESM that have been released them. So that is why what make me come on this evening broadcast. I'm not going to be long. They have released all of them because they find out that they are not ESM. As I told them, if you say these people are ESM, where are the gun you recover from their hands? Where are the weapon? Where are the marks you see in their body? But I find out that what I say was truth. As I told you that this platform is meant to propagate nothing but the truth. They have released all of them. They are back home. In fact, many of them are afraid to even stay in their house because they don't know when the politician will send kidnapper to come and kidnap them. But I appreciate the dead people known as Nigeria soldier to acknowledge the truth and release them. So I don't want to dwell long in this broadcast. Just I want to update you that those people, those two girls and one young boy and one old man, they have been released. So they are not in their custody. They have been released because they have found out that I say nothing but the truth. Prince Oka, I recognize you, my brother. We move. This restoration of Biafra, we go nowhere. It's either then leave Biafra to go or everything in Nigeria will die. We all perish here. This is the land which Chukwu Abiyama have given to our ancestors, that have given to our forefather, that given to our father, and our father hand over to us, and we must hand over this land to our children without the presence of Fulani and Yoruba and Britain. Our children must leave this land in the fullness of it. If they say we are lying and we cannot be in peace, then Nigeria will never see peace. That thing that they say they know, we go tell them, say we know past them. If you know this one, you also know this one. Blood is running in your vein. You come with death, and death you will carry. We go nowhere. At this point, I just want to update you, and then I say, may Chukwu Abiyama bless all of you that have been supporting this freedom, more especially Nnamdi Kanu and his true disciple, Mazi Simon Ekpa, and to all Umada and every supporters. I cannot forget about those who stake their life on the call of this freedom.
Okay, my people, welcome back. As I've watched that video and hear what this Biafra Liberation Army is saying. The question that I want to ask here is, why is it that all efforts have made in order way to end this sit at home, but it's like nothing is working at all? The lawyers of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have released a letter, said that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu written that letter, both written note and also message from their mouth. So many people have come out and claimed that they have visited Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and he said to end the sit at home. So this case is no longer what everyone should be like. Nnamdi Kanu say no, a time for Nnamdi Kanu freedom is here. So let them release Nnamdi Kanu, let Nnamdi Kanu speak to Biafra. I've been saying this thing in this channel for many times. It's the only thing that can going to stop sit at home. Is the only thing that's going to end everything that's going on now. Is Nnamdi Kanu be released, and I believe that something must definitely change. It is what we are asking for, unconditional release of Nnamdi Kanu, so that they can speak to a Biafra, because so many people are in the middle. They don't even know where they are. So many people don't even know where they are now as I'm talking. They are in the middle now looking who will I follow. So with the help of Nnamdi Kanu being out, a lot of answers will be given to all Biafras. Okay, my people, now so we see you for here today, and we are going to end it here for today. And wait, there's so many updates we have to bring you people, so stay tuned as they bring all of them, they come. And don't forget to subscribe to this particular channel, and also follow us here on Facebook for a quick update. Remember, say information I be the key. Who no get information, you go work out also. Okay, stay tuned.